Top 15. Fits rest with a circumference of 125 to 190 millimeters. Perfect for quick glances. Health is important to you. So monitor everything from your body, battery, energy levels, RAM 16 GB, connectivity technologies, GPS with smart notification delivered right to your wrist. Top 14. Simple, clean, nice watch for a reasonable price. The watch itself is fantastic, gorgeous dial, brilliant watch, well suited to formal and everyday wear, excellent timepiece, incredibly affordable, and just love this brand. Top 13. Sleek GPS Golf Watch, quick fit 22 millimeters watch band compatible, large 1.2 inches sunlight available outdoor recreation profiles, stand-up paddle boarding, rowing, quickly gets your location using GPS. Top 12. Fit for performance with rugged, sunlight readable display with bezels and stainless steel, titanium or diamond like carbon DLC coating. Navigate the outdoors with preloaded topo maps, multiple global navigation satellite system GPS, support and built-in sensors for 3-axis compass. Top 11. Advanced watch style and dive computer with 6 dive modes as well as multi-genius sports features enhanced rest-based heart rate estimate, altitude acclimation at high elevations, includes built-in support for multiple sports apps, contactless payment, music storage, smart notifications for calls, text and calendar alerts, battery life up to 80 hours and dive mode up to 16 days and smartwatch mode and up to 15 hours and GPS mode. Top 10. Stylish lightweight GPS Gulf watch with metal bezel and quick release bands for easy change. Preloaded with more than 40 courses from Android, Myers and auto recalls detected short distances, quickly reference distances to the front, tracks everyday activities such as steps, sleep, battery life up to 15 hours and GPS mode up to 10 days and smartwatch mode.
Fenix 5X can take you where you want to go and bring you back again. In this video, we'll show you how to use the map, navigate to a location, and use the track back and back to start tools. Let's get started. First, open the menu and select Map. On the map, you can toggle between panning up and down panning left and right, or zooming. Select the point shown by the crosshairs by holding down the Start button. When you're ready to navigate to a location, open the Activity menu and select Navigate. Then,
Top 8. Rugged GPS watch built to withstand the toughest environments. Constructed to US military standard. Shock and water resistance depth is 100 meters. Built and 3-axis compass and barometric altimeter. Plus multiple global navigation satellite system. Monitor your estimated heart rate. Stay connected with smart notifications. Included components: instant charging, data cable. Top 7. Personalize your watch with thousands of free watch faces. More than 15 preloaded GPS and indoor sports apps, including yoga, running, swimming, and many more. Monitor your fitness level with VO2 max and fitness mate estimates. Plus, keep an eye on how you handle stress. Get connected features such as smart notifications, automatic uploads to German Connect Live Track and more. Battery life up to 7 days and smartwatch modes, and 13 hours and GPS mode. Top 6. Simple, easy to use golf watch. Sleek, lightweight and comfortable with a high resolution sunlight readable display. Provides yardages to the front, back and middle of the green. On more than 41 preloaded courses worldwide. Rechargeable battery plays up to 12 hours and GPS golf mode. Top 5. It's a great watch. Wow, what a great piece, worth every penny. Love this mechanical hand-wound piece. More beautiful in person. Simple, clean, nice watch for a reasonable price. The watch itself is fantastic, gorgeous dial. Brilliant watch, well suited to formal and everyday wear. Top 4. Record all the ways to move with more than 20 preloaded GPS and indoor sports apps. Get easy to follow animated workouts right on your watch screen. Battery life up to 8 days and smartwatch mode up to 6 hours and GPS and music mode. Personalize your watch with thousands of free watch faces. Apps and widgets from our Connect IQ store. Safety and tracking features include incident detection, time location to emergency connect,
Garmin Descent Mk2 is your partner for exploring worlds of adventure, underwater or topside. In this video, we'll help you get acquainted with your new dive computer and teach you how to access some of its best features. First, let's look at the device. Press and hold the light key to turn the device on. Once it's on, you'll use it to turn the backlight on and off. Or press and hold to bring up the controls menu. Use the up and down arrow keys to scroll through the widget loop and menus. During a dive, you'll also be able to scroll through data screens. Press the Start key to view your list of activities and to prepare to start an activity. This key will also let you choose options while navigating menus.
You can get a jump on your challengers this season with sailing-specific fitness activities on Mark Captain and Mark Captain American Magic Edition. The sail grinding activity allows you to build strength and endurance in the gym. You can take conditioning onto the water too and prepare for what you'll encounter on race day. And you can train like the American Magic crew with 3 workouts: race simulation, fitness test, and intervals workout. For the best results on regatta day, you also want a tool that helps you hit the start line.
Dedicated athletes like you are going to love Forerunner 935, the premium GPS running and triathlon watch that's designed to go the distance. In this video, we'll show you how to set up and start using your Forerunner 935. First, let's take a look at the device. On the top left, you'll see the light key, which you'll use to control the backlight and also access the controls menu. Hold the light key to access the controls menu, which you can use to lock your device, set it to Do Not Disturb mode, and more. Below that are the up and down keys. These help you navigate through the different menus, data screens, and widgets. On the top right is the Start-Stop key, which, in addition to starting, pausing, and stopping timed activities, you'll use it to make menu selections.